My name is Andrew Mutana. I'm a pastor of a church called Impact Church in Nairobi, Kenya, in Africa. Recently, I was in Singapore and I came across a man called Daniel Fu, and he helped me. I actually bought this microphone that you see here. It's called the Gecko Passion Supercardioid microphone. Crystal, I think that's the other name. And it's been an amazing microphone. We're trying to set up a recording studio, and I'm just excited by the clarity of this microphone. It's much better than the many other brands of microphones that we've been having here. And I look forward to just having, getting another microphone from him when I go to Singapore one of these days. So I highly recommend the different equipment that is being sold by this Gecko Crystal technology. It is awesome. So once again, thank you for listening to me. As I said, I'm from Nairobi, Kenya, but I travel around the world, and you can find out more about our ministry by visiting impactchurch.co.ke. God bless you. Bye-bye.